Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Portronics Clamp X car vent mobile holder. There's an image of this mobile holder given on the top of the box that you can see. This is a mobile holder primarily for cars. Over here there's an image of how this particular mobile holder can be used. This is basically this mobile holding clamp, you fix it on top of your AC vent and then place the mobile on top of it. There's some information over here. Brand name is Portronics, model ID is Clamp X POR926, color is black, and generic name mobile holder. It comes with 6 months warranty as well. Over here it's written easy to install, fits a variety of devices including all phones and smartphones up to a 6 inches display. So this particular holder is primarily for smartphones with 6 inch of display. Adjustable and excellent strong hold, 360 degrees of rotation. Adjustable. This comes with adjustable side grip and support arm. 360 degree rotatable hinge, patented technology, one-click lock unlock button, one-click release button, and innovative silicone pad cushion clip. Let's open this and see what this holder actually looks like. So there you go, this is what you'll find inside the box. We had this document. This is basically a warranty card from Portronics. Next we have this particular element. This is a clamp. So there you go, this is the clamp that will go inside the AC vent, and this ball is what will go inside this particular gap over here at the back of this particular clamp. Speaking of the mobile holder, this is what it looks like. You should be able to expand it. Let me just see how that's done. Alright, so there you go. All you have to do, you see this button over here, all you have to do is press that button and a spring-loaded action pushes this out. Then you can put your mobile inside, take this and put it in like so and close it back in. There you go. And now you see this gap over here. This is where this ball head will go in. So you put the ball head in. And this is it, you're good to go. This is the 360 degree swivel in question. All you have to do now is insert this particular prong over here inside the AC vent, and you should be absolutely good to go with this particular mobile holder. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Portronics Clamp X car vent mobile holder. Thank you for watching.